Welcome back, everyone! This is one of the easiest and quickest ways to make money online. This is a brand new website that we've never used before. What if I told you that in today's video, we can make money online and all we have to do is just copy and paste? If you want an extra work that just by staying home, well, this method is absolutely easy. This is totally free. We don't need any experience, any money to invest, we don't need any technical skills, and this method doesn't need any affiliate links to promote. This website is helping people to earn money all over the world. That is why you don't need to worry even if you're from the tip of the north or from the south, because wherever you are, I got you. Now let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, let's not waste any time. So this is the actual website to which you will need to sign up. This is the website that will pay you. Take note, they will not be paying you in points, gift cards, or any other rewards as your money. You will only receive hard cash. Just cash in which you can spend whatever things you want to buy. You can go to parties, have a drink, have some fun, or you can buy food for your quarantine vibes, just whatever you want. Because it's your easily earned money. Now, in order to make money with this website, you will need to use some strategies which I will be showing you in this video. Because if you just go straight to the website and you try to do it on your own, then it's going to be a big mistake and you will lose a lot of time. It's going to require a lot of effort and a lot of skills, but I am going to show you how you can get all of that done for absolutely free. I will explain to you step by step how to do it. That is why sit back, relax, and after this video, you can go back until the start of this video if you didn't follow all the steps. Now, according to SimilarWeb, this website is being visited by over hundreds of thousands of people every single month. That means there's a lot of money to be made with this website, and I will explain to you exactly how and exactly what you will need to do. So this is the website to make a decent amount of money. This is a platform where entrepreneurs and business owners come to get written articles done for them. They are paying people every day, also freelancers like you and me. Also, you will write different articles for them, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get those articles done for absolutely free. Okay, just a quick interruption, guys. I want to get to know you guys better, so I have some questions for you. I want to know what kind of device you guys are using. Which is why I'm gonna ask you guys, what are you using, an Android or an iOS device? Comment down below so I can see your comments and I can know what device you guys are using. Now let's go back to the video. I am going to show you a unique strategy in getting those articles to get new and fresh articles every single time. So you can get paid hundreds of dollars because for each article that you copy and paste from the resources which I'm about to give to you, you can get paid hundreds of dollars and you can do it again and again for absolutely unlimited times. There are a lot of people visiting this website on a regular monthly basis, and you just need a couple of sales to get hundreds if not thousands of dollars every single day. So it's a really powerful strategy. So pay close attention to each and every step so you can learn exactly how to do this. Now, this website is called clearvoice.com. So the first thing which you will need to do is come over to this website, then hover your mouse right here where it says Talent Network. After that, you will be able to see that people are writing articles within all of these categories. You have advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and much more. So you have all the different categories and all the different niches which you can think of on this website. But what you will need to do is you will need to click on Join the Talent Network right here, so you can get started and you can get started earning money. This will start by entering your full name in these two boxes right here. So enter your first name, enter your last name, and click Get Started. Now you can either sign up with your Twitter account or Google account, or by signing up with your email. Once you sign up for a brand new absolutely free account on clearvoice.com, then this is how your screen should look like. Now this is your account. You will be able to see your name and this is your profile picture. You can, of course, change your profile picture and put your own. Then you can add a background image. Also, you can add more of your social accounts. The more of them you add, the higher chances of getting more money. First of all, I want to show you a few different things. This is actually cool because you decide your own rate. Either $100 per article, $200, or $300 per article. You can set your own rates. That is so cool. Also, you will get paid quickly through this website, which means you will not have to wait for weeks or months to get paid. Clear Voice's freelancers are paid via PayPal. They're using PayPal so they won't be late with their payments. If we scroll a little bit down, you will be able to see other people that are doing the same thing. So let me show you an example. I will open up this person's CV so you can see what they're doing and how they are making money. So if I open up their profile, you will be able to see all of these different articles that this person wrote. And this person has made hundreds of dollars for every single one of those articles. You have anything from fashion, beauty, parenting, home and holidays. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do the same thing. So this is just proof that other people are also making money with this website. So I want you to go back to your account and you can get started by setting up your account. On the right hand side, you will be able to see that my account has not yet been completed. I need to complete it to 100 so I can actually start making money, and to do so, I would need to improve my CV. So I would need to click Add Content right here in the bottom right corner, so I can start adding those articles. But how do I actually get those articles done, and how can I actually produce those for absolutely free? With no prior reading skills or whatsoever? Well, here's exactly how. Just follow each and every step of this video. First of all, you need to go to google.com. Next is search for any categories you want to be in. For the sake of this video, I will search for finance tips. Now, after pressing enter, you can see a lot of websites. Now, the websites in the upper part of the results are the top ranked websites. You can choose and view whatever website you want. If you decide that the website you chose is actually good and has a lot of information, you can now proceed to step number 2. Step number 2 is to go to this website called spinbot.com. Now your screen should look like this. When you get to this website, go back to the web page of the article you chose and then copy some information. After that, paste it on the upper box right here. Next is verify that you are human in this button right here that says I am human. Now after you click that button, you can now click this button which is go. After that, you will now see those articles are paraphrased. The reason we are using this website is because we don't want to get plagiarized. We want to make those articles look like we actually did it, and that is the trick. You actually made an article without getting hassled, and the good thing about this is it's absolutely free and absolutely easy. Now after that, save this article that's been paraphrased in your Microsoft Word or Google Docs. After that, save it as a PDF file. Clear Voice is requiring freelancers to upload a PDF file of your article. If you didn't upload a PDF file, the website will decline it and your article will be rejected. Next step is to go back to clearvoice.com and click on this button right here on the lower right which says Add Content. After that, click on Upload File button right here. Select your PDF file and then just upload it. After that, you will select what category your article is in. Now, since our article is all about finance, we can search for finance in the search bar. Next is to fill up its primary role, the content type, section, description, and next is give it a proper and professional title. Now, the more articles you add in this website, the more articles that are approved, the more money you will make. So you can start earning money today. And that is how you can make money online using articles in Google. And that is it for today's video. If you learned something or liked the video, it would be great if you smash down below the subscribe button and make sure to click the notification bell. If you have any suggestions, comments, or questions, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.